How to share Jupyter Notebook with others. Well, this is a complete step-by-step guide on actually how to do that. So keep on watching and I'll show you guys everything. So yeah, let's get started. So we are going to need a couple of things for this. And obviously the first thing is our Jupyter Notebook. And then also we need GitHub and we need NBViewer. So the very first thing which we will have to do is simply download our Jupyter Notebook. How do we do that? Well, there's a couple different ways, but I like to go to Help, then to Launch Jupyter Notebook File Browser. Right here, you can see all your files. So I'll just go ahead and click on this and click on Download. Now we have downloaded it right over here. So I'll just open up our folder. So we got it right over here. So then we want to go to GitHub. You want to create an account. I have also made a video about how to do that. But what we want to do is create a new repository. Right over here, we want to give this a name. I'll just call this Jupyter Notebook Test, and I'll just create a repository right over here. So right over here, we have create a new file or upload an existing file. You want to click on there, and we want to go ahead and drag and drop our file in here. Now we have added this and we want to commit changes, and now the file is being processed, and this is pretty much it. So if we click on this right now, this is pretty much how it will look like. What you want to do is simply click on raw right over here, and there we go. Now we have an easier overview, but what we can do, and that is really cool, is if we go to the URL at the top and copy this, then go to NBViewer, then paste it in here, click go, and now we have an easier way to view this. And what we can now do is simply copy this link again, so just like that, and you can share this with anybody. So if I were to go, for example, to a private window over here, I'll just paste in that link, hit enter, and there we go. We can now view it just like that, which is quite nice. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So now you can copy this link and send it to your to anybody pretty much, or send it via email. So yeah, that is how to share Jupyter Notebook.